Okay. That's what people know in Brazil.
So thank you very much. We are starting to get some good news of Ebola patients recovering. On Friday last week, we had 2 discharged by the Minister of Health, Dr. Jane Ruth Ocheng Ochero, and this was done at Mubende Regional Referral Hospital, where there is the biggest Ebola treatment unit. And those who recovered also wanted to volunteer to be part of the people who support those who are still recovering. And I'm glad that as of 2nd October, we got 2 more recoveries, bringing the total number of recoveries to 4. And I know even the update of 3rd might have more recoveries, because some of the admitted health workers at Fort Portal Regional Referral Hospital, some were stabilizing with no symptoms clearing out. So we expect more recovery, and this gives us hope as Ministry of Health, and also the health workers who are doing a good job, and also the community members. The earlier you present to hospital, the better outcome we get. So whoever has symptoms and signs consistent with Ebola, you reach out to the nearest health facility.
Very painful. Usually in a war, at the front line, as somebody said, they are usually casualties. But it is important that we protect the health workers. Out of these 43, we have lost 10. The late anesthetist battled Ebola for 17 days. But it was only confirmed after 10 days. So you can see the time we lost. It is a lot of time.
But if you process, at the European countries, you will not get enough.